floating the beautiful Bulkley River here. Oh, this is the life. Check it out.
Early, so nothing gets in the boat. Oh my god!
Oh shit! Oh no!
It's like you're drowning, you know?
You guys are fucked.
Don't worry.
Run, go, run!
It's not a kid's show. Just holding on to the whatever's left of the pillow, the headrest.
Oh!
She's like,
Blow like you've never blown before.
put pressure on it, then blow it up and then pretend like it's normal.
There's no bubbles in the back. Yeah.
Pretty severe.
What you doing out there, baby girl? That's my kid. Just randomly.
Oh yeah, Florence, bumper up, okay. Yeah, it's leaking, but you need to lose a long pole.
Oh, nice.
That's my boat.
Sweet. We might need to borrow it. Ours is sinking.
I know, that's my brother.
Sorry, what's your name?
What?
Yeah, Kaylin, yeah. Here, do you know how to open it?
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Much appreciated. All right, how was that? Time for us to peace out. Peace out.